It's March 2024. Next month is the build's 2-year anniversary. Absolutely disgraceful. If you're only watching this for the first time, then we have had the last 5 months of promised completion. Really, the promise started in November, and then it was going to be Christmas, and then of course that didn't happen. We ended up coming into January, where there was a bit of a step change in management getting involved. But, you know, where was that 12 months ago? 100 weeks. There's been a lot of major work take place on the house. It's probably been a team of, I don't know, 5 or 7 odd trades here, working pretty hard. Nothing against them. They're just trying to do their work. But yeah, Team Fix It has been and gone. But we still don't have any keys. we're now waiting for some sort of inspection next week. Communication has been atrocious. There's been responses, but no information. There's a big difference. Just someone replying back saying, "Yeah, we'll get back to you," isn't information. So yeah, there was a lot of work there. Huge amount of work inside, fixing skirting and some really poor workmanship inside. I haven't really seen that yet. But here we are, still on the outside looking in, rather than being inside the house. That's all very, very frustrating. Spiders moved in. They got a nice house.